Welcome class, this is Pradeep sir. Nice going? Good. I hope you are enjoying the classes. So just keep revising all the syllabus whatever being taught till date, right? And you can go to the description of this video or the end screen templates or the I button links, and you can go through all the videos of 6th standard mathematics. Apart from these, I have also put on some motivational videos, life skills, right? You can keep listening to them also for regular motivation. So today we will do the word problems in linear equations. Many times we came across some simple problems where we have to apply, we have to make the equation and then we have to solve the equation to find the unknown variable, right? So please pay attention on the board. Thank you so much. So as you can see on the board, I have written 4 examples to make it very clear how to solve the word problems related to linear equations in one variable. The first question is, if 5 is subtracted from a number, the result is 16. Find the number. Okay. So we always proceed in these questions with the statement, let the required number be x. Then ATQ means according to question. So let the required number be x, then according to question, x minus 5 is equal to 16, x is equal to 16 plus 5, x is equal to 21. Therefore, 21 is the required number. Clear? See the next one. Find two numbers such that one exceeds the other by 9 and their sum is 81. So let us suppose that the smaller number is x. Then the other number will be x plus 9. Now according to the question, it is given that x plus 9 is equal to 81. Sum of two numbers is equal to 81. So if you note this, I have written x plus 9 in a bracket because it is one number. When you open this bracket, you get x plus 9 is equal to 81. 2x is equal to 81 minus 9. 2x is equal to 72 and x is equal to 72 by 2. That is x is equal to 36. So one of the number is 36 and the other number will be 36 plus 9, that is 45. I hope it's clear. Now see the next question. The length of a rectangular field is twice the breadth. If the perimeter of the field is 228 meters, then find the dimensions of the field. That is, we have to find the length and the breadth. While dealing with such questions, it is always better if you draw a small diagram by the side so that you can easily identify the dimensions. So here in this question, let us suppose that the breadth is x meters. Then according to the question, length will be twice of it, that is 2x meters. Now what is perimeter? Perimeter is actually the length of the boundary of the figure, that is the rectangular field over here. So total boundary will be equal to x plus 2x plus x plus 2x, right? That is twice of length plus breadth. So we calculate it and we get twice of x plus 2x is equal to 2 into 3x is equal to 6x. But we are already given that perimeter is equal to 228 meters. So we will equate this. 6x meters is equal to 228 meters. X is equal to 228 by 6, that is 38 meters. Therefore, we get the breadth of the field as 38 meters. Length of the field will be twice of this, that is 2 into 38, that is 76 meters. Okay. Now see the last one. Very interesting question. Pay attention. These questions are related to ages. Okay. Just see the question first. Mona's father is thrice as old as Mona. After 12 years, his age will be twice that of his daughter. Find their present ages. In most of the questions, you will have to find the present ages. So always proceed in these questions as let the present age of, right? So here we take let Mona's present age be X years. It is given that her father's present age is 3 times, that is 3x years. So after 12 years, Mona's age will be X plus 12 years and her father's age will be 3x plus 12 years. Now according to the question, after 12 years, his age will be twice that of his daughter. So we will equate this. We will write 3x plus 12, that is father's age, is equal to 2 times of daughter's age, that is x plus 12. So 3x plus 12 is equal to twice x plus 12. We open up the bracket, we get 3x plus 12 is equal to 2x plus 24. We bring 2x on the left hand side and we get 3x minus 2x is equal to 24 minus 12. 12 taken to the right hand side, and finally we get the answer as x is equal to 12. So Mona's present age is 12 years and her father's present age is 3 times, that is 3 into 12, that is 36 years. I hope the concept is clear. These are 3-4 types of sums in this 6th standard, right? Rest you will learn in higher classes. So these were 4 videos of the linear equations in one variable. You can go to the description of this video, you can see the I buttons over the top, or you can go to the end screen templates at the end of the video. You will get all the videos of 6th standard. Just see the playlist over there and you can easily understand the topics. So goodbye for now. Thank you class. Keep learning, keep enjoying life. Be happy always. Bye bye. Love you all.